So in the previous video we have just completed the question number 4 of exercise 4C, and now from question number 5 I am just solving any of the two. So let us do that. So question number 5, that is of exercise 4C. Exercise 4C, question number 5, that is from that we will do any of the two. That is, first we will do, that is D, that is 4 by 10 plus minus 13 by 15 plus minus 9 by 50. Okay, and the another one, that is E, that we will do, that is 3 1 by 7 plus minus 5 upon 14 plus minus 7 upon 12 plus 2 3 by 4. Okay, so from question number 5 we will solve this 2. Okay, and first of all, solving this here, first of all what we have to do, we have to take out the minus sign from the bracket. Here first of all, if we take out, that is 4 by 10, here plus minus minus 13 by 15, here plus minus minus 9 by 50. Okay, and now we have to take the LCM. So the LCM, that is 15, here 10, and here 50. So we will start with 5 only. 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 10s are. Then after 2 1s are, 3 5. Then after 3 1 5 as it is. Then after 5 1s are 5. So our LCM, that is 5 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 5 2s are 10, 10 into 5 3s are 15, so 10 into 15, that is 150 is our LCM. 150 is our LCM. Okay, so let us apply that. So 4 and 10 into how much, that is 150. So if we multiply 10 with 15, then we will get 150. Then after minus, here 13, 15 into how much, that is 150. Then 15 into 10, that is 150. So here also 10. And again minus 9, 50. So 50 into 3, that is 150, and here also 3. So we will get, that is 4 15 4s are 60, 60 upon 150 minus 13 into 10, that is 130 upon 150. Then again 9 3s are 27 upon 150. Okay, so here we have take the LCM and all the denominators are same. So what we will do is 150, 60 minus 130 minus 27. Okay, so first of all what we will do is, we will add this both, minus minus plus, so that is 130 plus 27, that is 7 plus 0, that is 7, 3 plus 2, that is 5, and here it is 1. So we will get our next, that is 60 minus 150, 7 upon 150. Then now we have to subtract this 60 from 157, that is here 60. So 7 minus 0, that is 7, and 15 minus 6, or if I just take here 0 and here 15. So how much 15 minus 6? That is, we will get the answer 6 6 are 12, 12 plus 3, then 6 plus 3, that is 9. Okay, so 97, but the sign will be minus, so our answer, that will be minus 97 upon 150 is our answer of this question. Please note down this, students. And the another one, first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So for that 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, that is 22 upon 7. Here plus minus, minus 5 by 14, plus minus, minus 7 by 12. And then after 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 4. Now we have to first of all take the LCM. So taking LCM, that is 7, 14, 12, 4. Here first of all with 2, 7 will not there, here 7, 6, then here 2, then again with 2, 3, 1, then 3. Then at last 7. So here we get our LCM, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So here 2 2s are 4 into 7 3s are 21. So if we just multiply 4 2s are 8, means 80 plus 4 1s are 4, that is we get our answer, that is 84. Okay students, that is 21 4s are 84. Now our LCM is, that is 84. So now 22 upon 7. So what should be multiplied by 7? Then we will get 84. Just first of all do it by your own. I am just writing that. So 15, 14. What should be multiplied by 14? And 7, 12. What should be multiplied by 12? And at last with 4. Now plus 11 by 4. So what should be multiplied by this? So we will get the same denominator, that is 84. Now onward you can do your this sum by this, how I have do this. So please do this at your home, and we will move towards our new topic, that is multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication and divisions of rational number are new topic. For that, here is a formula for that. Let us see that first of all. Before that, you just write down this. So multiplication of rational number. For that, here you can see a formula, that is product of two rational number a upon b and c upon d is given by, if there are two rational numbers, that is a upon b and c upon d. If there are two rational numbers, then how we will multiply this? Then it is tell that a upon b multiplied by c upon d. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply a into c upon b into d. Let us see an example of it. So, example number 28. Example number 28. Here it is given, example number 28, 7 upon 8 into 0. So what will be there if any of the rational number is divided by 0? Then what we will get the answer. Okay, so if any rational number multiplied by 0, you will get your answer, that is 0. Okay students, and the b, that is also like this, and the example number 29, that is, let us see example number 29 over here. In that 4 integer 1 by 3, 4 integer 1 by 3 into 2 1 by 13. Okay, so let us see what we will get the answer. So first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into the improper. So first of all 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 3 into 13 2s are, that is 26, 26 plus 1 27 by 30. Okay students, now we have to multiply this. So what we will do, 13 into 27 and 3 into 13. So multiplying this we get, let us multiply 27 into 13, that is 0. 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2, plus 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8. Here 1, 8 2s are 16, here 15, 3. Okay, 3 5 1. Our answer is 3 5 1 upon 13 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 3 5 1 upon 39, we will get our answer. Okay, please note down this. Here also you can just cancel it also. How? See here, you can just 3 9s are and 13 13, it can also be cancelled. Okay students, and you will get your directly the answer, that is 9, and if you multiply 39 by 9, then you will get, that is 351. Okay students, so please note down this and we will move towards our new example, that is example number 29b. Example number 29b. So the example is minus 3 by 7 b, that is minus 3 by 7 into 4 by 5 into minus 5 by 8. So we will do this. Here we know that in the BDOMAS method, we know that first of all we just divide, then multiply, then add, and then subtract. So here, according to the associative property, what I will do is minus 3 by 7 into the bracket 4 by 5 into minus 5 by 8. If I do this, then I can just cut this 4 2s are 8 and 5 1s are 5. So you will get a bracket that is of minus 3 by 7 into minus 1 upon 2. Okay, minus 1 upon 2 in this bracket. Here there is minus sign, don't forget to put a minus sign over here. So minus 1 by 2 is your answer, and now multiplying this bracket with this. So let us see what we get. Minus 3 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. So here what we have to do, here minus and here is also minus, then minus minus, that is plus. So we will get our answer that is in the plus. So 3 into 1 and 7 into 2. So we will get answer that is 3 by 14 is our answer. Please note down this students. Okay, now let us go towards the exercise 4D. Exercise 4D, that is of multiplication. First of all we will do that, and then after we will move towards the division. So exercise 4D. In that question number 1, from that we will do any of the two. So in this also, cut D and G. Okay, we don't have to do exercise 4D, question number 1, D and G we don't have to do. From else, let us see which we do. That is, first of all we will just solve, that is E. So the question is 9 by 10 into minus 3 by 7. That we will do first, and the another one, that will be so the from question 1, the another one that we will do is J. Not J, we will do I, because I think it is have minus sign, then you will confuse. In that there is only multiplication of that. So minus 4 by 9 into minus 7 by 8. So let us do one by one this both. So here it is 9 by 10 into minus 3 by 7 it is given. So what we have to do, we have just seen that A by B and C by D is to be multiplied by with each other. Then what we have to do, we have to multiply A with C and B with D. Okay, so let us do that. That is 9 into minus 3 upon 10 into 7. So let us see what we get. Our answer, that is 9 3s are 27, but the sign will remain minus. Why? Because there is only one minus. So minus 27 upon 70 is our answer. Okay students, please note down this. And moving further to our new sum, that is minus 4 by 9 into minus 7 by 8. That is minus 4 by 9 into minus 7 by 8. From here you can just cut it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So remain is minus 1 by 9 into minus 7 by 2. Okay, now we know that we have to multiply A into C and B into D. Let us do that. That is minus 1 into minus 7 upon 9 into 2. Minus 7 into minus 1 divided by minus 9 into 2. So we will get, that is minus minus plus. So 7 upon 9 into 2, that is 18 is our answer. Please note down this students. And now question number 2. From that also, but there is a division given. So first of all we have to divide. Okay, so division of rational number, it is our new topic. So how we just divide the rational number, let us see that. So division of rational number, how, if it is given that A divided by B is given. Okay, A divided by B is given, if a number, then what we will do, we can write this as A by B. Okay, or also we can write that is A into 1 by B. Okay students, we can write this. A by B can also be written as A into 1 by B. So if it is given A by B divided by C by D, it is given, then what we will do is, we will do that A by B divided by C by D. Yes or not? It can be written as it. Then after what we will do, this numerators denominators goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. So A into D divided by B into C. So this is our answer. Or you can also write this as, if it is given here, directly if I say that, then we can write A divided by B, sorry, A by B divided by C by D is given. Then you can directly write AB into D upon C. Okay, you have to just do the reciprocal of it. Okay, you have to do the reciprocal of it, then you can divide it easily. Okay, for that we just move towards the example, that is example number 30, which is given. Let us solve that. Example number 30, that is, from that we will solve any one only, that is example number 30b. We will solve this, that is 4 by 5 divided by minus 9 by 10. Okay, so let us divide that. We know that first of all we have to just reciprocal the term which is on the divided by side. Okay, so for that, here it is easy. Here if I say 4 by 5 divided by minus 9 by 10 is given, then what we have to do? We have to do reciprocal and change the sign into the division to the multiplication. So 4 by 5 into minus 10 by 9. Okay, we have just reciprocal it and change the sign. Now I can cut this 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Okay, yes or not, student? Yes, I can cut that. So here it remains 4 by 1 into minus 2 by 9. So 4 into minus 2 upon 1 into 9. Then we will get 4 twos are 8. That is minus 8 upon 9. This is our answer. Please note down this, students, and we will just move towards exercise 40, question number 2, which is simplify the following. Okay, we don't have enough time, so I am just giving you the homework, students. So in your homework, what you have to do is, in your homework, you have to do exercise 4D. Yes, remaining sums of question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, from question number 2 and 3 I will solve 2 or 3 sums in next video. Okay students, from question number 1 I will solve 2 sums that you have to do, and 2 and 3 that you have to try at your home. But before that, from question number question number 2 and 3, from that nothing is, no sums are cutted. Okay, and we will meet in the next video. Bye students.